Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Feature option here, this one. Now open Side Key option, and here we got double press option. So first we need to activate this option and then need to choose quickly open camera or open up. If we choose open up, we got list of our application and choose some applications, maybe I don't know, maybe Facebook. Okay, now I activate quick launch camera, for example, and let's try double press to our power key. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.